Hi, I'm Guido from Wacom, and in this video I will explain how to install a Wacom tablet on a Macintosh system. In this case I'm using macOS 13 aka Ventura, and I have my Intuos Pro Medium connected to my MacBook Pro. First of all, I have to go to the Wacom website and download the latest driver. To do this, I'll open, in this case, Safari, go to www.wacom.com. Now I click on Support. There's a blue button here, Drivers and Download. Let's click here. And then I have options to find the right driver for my tablet. Either, if I know what I'm doing, I can scroll down and download the latest driver for my system. If I'm unsure which tablet is supporting what driver, I can go here, in this case, and click on the Pen Tablet button. And then I have a drop-down list where I can select my product. So all the products are in the list. I select my Intuos Pro Medium here. And then I got a more, I would say, detailed page where I can find my macOS driver in the tile on the very left. And I can start the download by clicking on Download Mac Driver. I confirm the download by clicking here. And then it takes a couple of seconds to download the driver. Okay. When the download is ready, I go to my download folder, and here I can see my installer image. I double click on my installer image to open it, and then a window pops up and I got an icon saying Install Wacom Tablet. Double click on this one as well, and now the assistant is guiding me through the installation steps. Continue here, I continue the license agreement, agree to the license agreement again, and then I can click on install. It is asking for my security credentials, so I enter my credentials as well, and then it takes a couple of seconds to finish the installation on my Macintosh system. Okay, and now the driver comes up with a pop-up message, the installation was successful. I can click close. And now he's also asking if I want to have the installer moved to the bin. I can say yes, and then I'm done and my tablet should be working. The Wacom Center is popping up, and I will be also asked to join the Wacom Experience program. Usually the installation will run completely smooth and your tablet will work as expected. However, in some rare occasions it might happen that it does not behave as it should be. Let's have a look what we can do. And if I'm using my pen here, it doesn't do anything. What it does is it comes up with a security setting message that security settings prevented the Wacom software from posting an event. Okay, and here I can simply use my trackpad, click on try again, and then it comes up with a accessibility access message saying Wacom IO Manager, which is a part of the Wacom driver, would like to control this computer using accessibility features. And this is exactly what we want to do. That's why I click here on Open System Settings. Now my privacy and security settings are opening up, and into accessibility I will see a driver component from Wacom, com.wacom. This is the IO Manager, and I activate them by clicking on the button here. Privacy and security is now again asking for my credentials. Okay. Here we go. Then I got a second security message saying, okay, to try again. And now I have, in the accessibility tab, I have the com.wacom component installed, but my pen is still not working. However, this is something we can fix as well. To do this, I go back from accessibility, still in privacy and security, and click on input monitoring. In input monitoring, there should be usually the Wacom tablet driver. Since I can't find it in here, I have to add it manually. To do this, I can click on the plus icon here. And now I go to Applications. Within my application folder, I go to the Wacom tablet folder. And within the Wacom tablet folder, I click on Shift, Command and Dot to enable the hidden folders. And now the .tablet folder appears, and when I click on that one, I will see a couple of Wacom driver components, and the one I need to activate here is the Wacom tablet driver. Okay, I highlight this one and I click on open. And then again, I got a security message. Wacom tablet driver will not be able to monitor input from your keyboard until it is quit. Here I simply click on quit and reopen. And now my input monitoring is enabled, and I can already see that my Wacom driver in the background is starting up, and my pen, as you could see, is working. And within the Wacom Center, now my Wacom Intuos Pro tablet is there. That's all. Thanks for watching and take care.